current is strong today. Right here, man. It's hard to tell, but it's moving. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. I'm in the 2018 RXT X Sea Doo 300. That's right. So let's get this day going. It's a chance of rain. Man, I tell you all the time, every time there's like rain coming, but it passes really quick. So got the helmet with again today in case it rains. Shoot it right on. It's supposed to be like 70% chance of rain, 70-80% tomorrow, but I'm still going to take out the RXP-X as long as there's not lightning, because I don't want to get hit. But let's get the video going. She's ready to rock. Who's this? Another jet ski coming through. Trying to get jetting on the waterway. Let's see if anybody wants a race. And again, my subscribers, man, you want to come out to Myrtle Beach and want to cruise with me on the jet skis, bring your jet ski up, DM me on Instagram. I am _Beowulf. So every Sunday here at this place on the waterway here in Myrtle Beach, they have a live concert. So all these people like kind of anchor down and watch the concert from land or water. It's pretty awesome. I've never really sat and watched the concert. I just don't like to sit around. I go out jet skiing. It's like I want to get on and use the jet ski. It's kind of my plan. But it's cool. If you ever come out this way, you got a live concert. It doesn't cost any money to come here on the water to watch it. And I just saw a second ago that the DNR police are out, which I'm shocked because I never see them out. But there's nothing they can do because there's no speed limit. But still they're out. Got to keep an eye out for them. You never know. They've never really bugged me. So I think they only bugged me once when one of my jet skis didn't have tags on it. And they wanted to make sure I had a fire extinguisher and all that stuff. But otherwise, I just gave them a wave. They gave a wave, and I went 70 miles per hour right past them. I'll just show you guys something else. I mean to put this in the video. So my goal is beginning. I'm either looking at the sea breacher, one of these like, it's not a jet ski, it's not a boat, but it goes underwater. It looks like an animal breaches out of the water. So I'm looking at getting one of those, or one of these. I've wanted one of these since I was like a little kid. I remember being a little kid in the 80s, watching Miami Vice and stuff, and seeing in the TV show them zoom in through the water and stuff. Man, I want one of these. They look pretty badass. There's like a couple of people that have them all down here. There's like another one. This brand that I would get, it would be MTI. Really like their design and what their boats are. Future stuff, man. Just stay tuned. Look at this other one. I get a no speed limit waterway, one of these, and some of these do over like 100 something miles per hour. They're like, I was looking up, the one does like over 100 something, has 200 gallon tank, which they probably just go through it like nothing. It sounds big, but it's probably not. Just check them out. They're just so badass. This other area up ahead, all these people just like kind of sit there in the water too and just bathe and stuff, which is funny because there's bull sharks in the water here and there's alligators, and I'm just shocked how people don't get attacked all the time. Maybe the news doesn't cover it. They definitely cover it. I'll tell you though, Myrtle Beach, there was like this photo of the shark coming in really close to shore, and the people are out swimming farther and the shark was really close. And there was some girl that was swimming up here like a couple months ago, they got bit by a shark. Nothing like, she didn't die or anything, but she had to go to the hospital and stuff. So they're out there, you just gotta keep your eyes open. Man, but I want one of these boats. I've seen this MTI boat that has like, it's almost like a hard top that comes on and off of it. So you can be like enclosed and not, like these are all open. Man, I could just like, ooh, man. But they're so big, I couldn't keep them in the house. I don't even think my Jeep could pull something like that. Plus it'd be such a hassle launching one of these by yourself all the time. If I keep it at like a marina and then I'm taking it out of water. But there's like over here, there's like a Yamaha GP 1800. Screw over there. I think it is. I don't know, they all look the same. Is it? No, it's not. I'm telling you, I really thought when I went by that was a GP 1800. I'm serious, and this is not to be knocking Yamahas, they all look the same. I'm confused. I saw that and I saw the color scheme and I thought that's what it was, but they all look the same. Why would they have that same color scheme and then you can get a GP 1800 like that? I don't know. I'm confused. Don't hate. I'm not hating on Yamahas. I used to own one for a while, but I'm telling you, like, they all look the same. But GP 1800, that's another thing. Boat's the big goal to get. I got this shit out there right now. Right there, look. Trying to race. Let's take him down. Let's do it. DNR out bad. Somebody's coming through the no wake area, put in a big wake. What do you think they do, man? Busted. Man, tell you, there's no speed limit when you're on the waterway. Once you get in these idle speed no wake zones, you can't play around and you get pulled over. They're probably gonna get a ticket. They're doing a ticket with like the dumbest spot. There's no rules, and then there's only rules in this area where there is like an idle speed. And I cruised right by. They sped right past me, and I knew it. They're gonna get pulled over. And bam! Pulled over. Busted. All right, guys. I'm in World's Inlet, South Carolina. The waterway takes you through a big area. I suggest looking at like Google Maps and stuff to see how big it is. It's so far. So I'm a little farther down south than where I was earlier in the video. I was like at Myrtle Beach. So this is pretty good, like a little twisty area along straightaway. It's a little bit more wider open than other parts of the waterway. So I kind of jetted down this way because then when I went to get gas, I popped out of some other way and there's the DNR. They're moving farther down. So I'm trying to avoid, I don't know if they really want to be in the video kind of thing. So I was shocked that they came down farther than when you saw the last clip. So then I went a little farther down. It's really weird to see them in awkward because there is no speed limit, but then also too it's like really awkward running into them when you never see them at all. So I went a little farther, somewhere different. And I think in past videos I've gone down. The hard thing is when you go down way down Myrtle's Inlet, there's not a lot because you can go out in the ocean to like the northern part of the inlet or the southern part that's down here by Myrtle's Inlet into the ocean. And when I went with my brother down here before, we went really far and we kept going, and we never got into the ocean. And we had to stop and get gas like 4 times and we weren't even close. So then we got an idea like that's probably not the best way to go to get into the ocean. And it took too long and the water got a little rougher when you're out there. It's really wide open the farther you go down that way. And it's pretty twisty and turny. You kind of have to use your phone with the maps to know like where you're going or how to get back. I've only gone down this way like 2 times farther down. I avoid going down farther because you got to keep track of all these fuel stations, you know, marinas, when they're open, when they're not. It gets confusing. So you have to call and keep track of all of them, like when they're open, when they close. Can you get back to the other one? Like yesterday's video, I barely made it. Like right when I got to get gas, I didn't even put in the video yesterday when they were closing like 35 minutes early because it was dead. And if they were closed, I would have had to leave the jet ski there overnight and get an Uber and get some fuel to get home. So luckily they were still open, but now I got to be keeping track, calling and stuff, making sure they don't like close early. It's the things you got to worry about when you travel far on the jet ski. It's always about fuel this, fuel that. And even when you got the little jug back there, it's still not enough because it's like, I think it's like 3.5 gallons. That's completely full. I think you can only fill it up to 3 something where it's marked. 3 gallons is not a lot of fuel to get you anywhere if you're really far, like in a half an hour, 45 minutes from stuff. 3 gallons, you could probably get there going like really slow, but it'd take you forever to get there. I didn't buy this to go like slow and putt around. I bought it to like drive it to the limit, have fun, make exciting content. I didn't buy it to have it in eco mode and all that for you guys. Drive it like you stole it, I guess. Alright guys, this looks like the end of the video. Sun's almost down. And man, it was action-packed. We talked about future plans of the channel, that cigarette boat, what's up? Some guy in some jet ski thought he could race me, and I didn't antagonize it. He came running up on me, and then I pulled out the camera, so he's ducking on down all low and stuff. It's pretty funny. And I gave you guys a tour of little different areas real quick, and then hey, the DNR were on full force today, and if you're speeding that no wake, they're gonna give you a ticket. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, smash it. See, it's a Sea Doo. See, it's a subscribe button. Go bam, subscribe. You can hit on the notifications too. See you guys in the next video, and all goes well as long as there's not lightning. I don't want to get struck by lightning. I will be taking RXP-X out tomorrow onto the ocean. I'm going to launch them somewhere else a little bit closer because it's stuff isn't open as late, so I can't have a long day adventure. And too bad today. I was like, got a late start. I was planning taking this to the ocean, and then just like, I don't know, I got kind of nervous with this one marina closed early, and it just all didn't work out. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Make sure you guys stay positive. Later.